Introduction to 3. The digit 3, like all other digits, can represent many things and have many meanings. For example, 3 can represent space, matter, and time, liquids, solids, and gases, sun, moon, and earth, male, female, and neuter genders, 9 ether, 6 ether, and ghosts, etc. But where the Caucasian race is concerned, it means Father, Son, and Holy Ghost, and 333% of the perfect number 1000. 333% of 1000 is the Caucasian race's limit of mentality. For original man it is 666, and for the Ethiopian it is 999. In this booklet, we Ethiopian scientists shall deal with 3 as it pertains to the Caucasian race, sometimes called the white people or the white race. White is a fair description of that race because ghost is white. Therefore, the white race is the posterity of ghost. Ghost is 3 among the conscious gases because it appears on the circle of time at the position of the number 3. Notice the drawn circle. This is the wheel of time and existence. That is, time and the many changes that time produces in matter exist in a circle. How we determine the right combination of numbers to use on the circle is that the digits must be single and consecutive and must add up to 9. 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 equals 72, and 7 plus 2 equal 9. And the digits must divide the circle into 12 equal parts like the zodiac, because the digits 1 and 2 are left out in order for the circle to add up to 9. A circle must add up to 9 because a perfect circle is 9 by nature. Evolution starts at 6 on the left side of the circle of time and goes counterclockwise through 5 and 4 and ends in 3. 6 pushes the circle down on the left side and 9 pulls it up on the right, as you can determine by this drawing. Here's a demonstration. 11 plus 1 is 12, 1 plus 2 is 3. 10 plus 2 is 12, 1 plus 2 is 3. 9 plus 3 is 12, 1 plus 2 is 3. 8 plus 4 is 12, 1 plus 2 is 3. 7 plus 5 is 12, 1 plus 2 is 3. And 12 plus 6 is 18, and 1 plus 8 is 9. In time, we are now at the end of 3 on the circle, and Nubian forces, 9, are beginning to pull us Nubians up by mind and time. The bottom half of the circle of time is 6, the dead, and the top half of the circle is 9, the living. So we are now headed back toward the living in mind, and our physical activities will follow. The position of the other digits around the circle are determined by 9 because 9, being the highest digit, of course, its position must be at the top of the circle. Notice in this drawing that the digits 2 and 1 and the cipher 0 successfully reverse the rotation of the circle to a clockwise spin, which is the spin of chaos in space, matter, and time. Again, this is the wheel of time and existence, and it adds up to the perfect number 9. 6 pulls downward, 5, 4, and 3. We are at 3 South. 9 pulls upward, back toward living in mind. Again, nature moves in opposites. 6 and 9 are opposites. 6 represents death and 9 represents life. That's why it says toward the living in mind. In the 9-ball count 3, written by Afro Unu. I have another demonstration, so we're going to head back to the clock. And this time we're multiplying. We're using multiplication. 11 times 1 is 11, and 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 times 10 is 20, and 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 times 3 is 27, and 2 plus 7 is 9. 8 times 4 is 32, and 3 plus 2 is 5. 7 times 5 is 35, and 5 plus 3 is 8. 12 times 6 is 72, and the circle goes around once every 72 million years. And 7 plus 2 is 9.